Good evening, everybody. Myself Acharya Vishvendra, and I'll show you questions on ncert line to line from chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. So these are unsolved questions from first set is from question 1 to 10, as you can see over here. Then we have questions 11th to 21st. Then 22 to 34. Then 35 to 45. Then 46 to 54. Then 55 to 65. Then 66 to 74. 75 to 88. 89 to 99. 100 to 109. 110 to 119. 120 to 124. 125 to 131. 132 to 138. 139 to 144. 145 to 153. 154 to 158. 159 to 167. 168 to 173. 174 to 180. 181 to 188. 189 to 195. 196 to 206. 207 to 218. 219 to 225. 226 to 233. 234 to 242. 243 to 252. And 253 to 255. And this is the answer key of the questions. So the purpose behind making this video is to give you complete NCERT theory in a question answer format, so that it's easier to compile, easier to retain, and you have a better chance of retaining things when you appear for the exam. The concern point is, when you start reading the book, the theory is so hectic and its language is a bit complex. So you lose your interest in between and stop studying, or maybe having study burnouts or lack of motivation. So that's why we have converted theory into a question answer format, so that at an instant you just need to focus on a very small part of information, and you can compile that well in time, and that will give you interest. And I think it will prove to be an optimization tool to you, and you will be able to learn better, to perform better, and to retain better in your exams. Whether you are preparing for board exams or NEET or JEE Main or JEE Advanced, your fundamentals should be very clear, and at least you should have the working knowledge of all the fundamental concepts, all the terms, all the terminologies which are mentioned in NCERT physics. So these videos are just an optimization tool, so that you prepare in a question answer format which matches with the format of NEET or JEE Main or JEE Advanced. So you have serve the dual purpose. The first is completing the entire theory in its entirety, and second is training your mind brain system in an object oriented format, in an MCQ based format. So it serves the dual purpose of making you Complete the entire syllabus, all the facts, all the concepts, all the terms. We have included questions even from the footnotes, the points to ponder, and even the summary. So it will reduce your efforts and it will prove to be a optimization tool to you, in which you will be able to learn better, perform better, and end up with flying colors in your exams. In case of any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.